Alexis LaScala with Water Online, reporting from Weftec 2013 in Chicago. I'm here with Ivar Solvi, the Manager of Business Development with Salsnes Filter. Ivar, thanks for being here.
Thank you.
So I understand last year at this time we were introduced to your company and product. What can you tell me about what Salsnes has been up to since then?
Well, it has been quite busy, I would say. We have been trying to transfer the know-how and technology from Salsnes, Norway, back to London. And that has been a lot of work because now we want to bring this new technology out to the global network of Trojan technologies.
Great. And when you're educating people about the technology, which features grab their attention?
Well, you know, this little creature of a Salsnes filter, it has a huge difference from all the others that you see in the marketplace. And that is, we have what we call an AirKnife. And the AirKnife is actually removing the solids very gently from the filter mesh. And that makes it possible for us to remove finer solids and keep also the mesh or the filtering media open, so we can have a continuous capacity on the filter system. So this is the key thing. But next we are talking about the feature of the system itself. If you look at in the marketplace, there are normally sedimentation systems. And sedimentation systems, they are there to separate out the solids coming into the treatment plant. Next, after you have separated the solids, you have to thicken them, right? Increase the concentration of suspended solids. And after that, you might have a wish to dewater them. So you can take it away to a treatment place for solids. Our system has all these three features in one unit: separation, thickening, and dewatering. And this is what is so important for everybody to understand, because what we are competing against is three separate treatment systems. We have it all in one. And of course, the third one is that what we are doing is making this happen in a very, very small footprint. A footprint which is approximately 5 to 10% of the footprint of conventional treatment.
So what is it that customers and engineers should be more aware of regarding Salsnes Filter?
They should be aware of that Salsnes Filter is not a pre-treatment type of equipment. Pre-treatment has the purpose of removing screenings and grit. The purpose of using Salsnes is to remove fine solids like the primary sedimentation tags. This is important to be aware of. Next, it's also important to be aware of that with this system, you have a much higher flexibility to variable flow and to variable concentrations of solids coming in. And because we can control this functionality in many, many more ways than you can do in a big tank that takes a huge or a low flow. So in general, you can say that the ability to remove more solids with this system than a conventional treatment system is much higher. Another also very, very important part is that today it's important to understand where the energy goes in a wastewater treatment plant. We want to be environmental, we want to be eco-friendly, we want to take care of the waste and reuse it when possible. If you look at the values in the waste stream coming to a wastewater treatment plant, you will see and understand that there are energy in the organic waste coming to the treatment plant. If you send it through the treatment plant, the waste will be eaten and the energy will be used by bacteria. And it will end up as carbon dioxide. And we don't like that. At least we want to take out the energy before it becomes carbon dioxide. So by taking out the solids as early as possible by filtration, instead of settling them and taking them out that way, we are able to take out more solids that have a higher volatile solid content, meaning we have a higher biogas potential with the solids we take out by filtration instead of taking them out with sedimentation. Approximately, from R&D studies we have done, we are talking about 20 to 30% more energy we can get from primary treatment using filtration instead of sedimentation.
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you.